Alright, good day and welcome to today's tutorial class. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of mahchine. Alright, so today we'll be considering the problem displayed on the screen. Okay, pick from the engineering drawing textbook, engineering drawing 1 by Pickup and Packer. Alright, so the object on the screen is an angle bracket, and yeah, it's a machine drawing. We have to produce it in third angle orthographic projection, taking our front view from the direction of arrow Y. All right, end view from the direction of arrow X. All right, so one thing is this: those radii of 666 at the edges that were used for the fillet, I am going to ignore those radii. Okay, I'm going to ignore them. Yeah, kind of small. All right, should I even ignore them? I think I can actually fix them, so no need of ignoring. Don't worry, I'm going to actually include the ones I can include. All right, I'm going to include the ones I can include. So the very first thing is I'm going to actually start from the end view, because of that area that was actually tilted at 30 degrees, okay, to the vertical plane, which is 60 degrees to the horizontal. I'm going to start from the end view. And if we are familiar with third angle projection, the arrangement, okay, so you should be familiar with it. If you are watching this video, you should be familiar with it. If you are not familiar with it, kindly check the link under the description below. There is a video where I actually explain the basics of orthographic drawing and its arrangement, so I think that should actually be of help to you. Okay, so to draw my end view, picking my pencil, I'm going to draw this line at the bottom like this, horizontally. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to just, with my set square and T-square sitting perfectly, let me do it maybe somewhere around this side, right? Yeah, let me just create a vertical to it like this, faintly also, a vertical to it faintly like that also. All right, so the next thing is I'm going to actually pick my ruler. Okay, now if you are looking at it, you are told that the base thickness is constant and it is what, 12 mm. So if the base is 12 mm and the other area is 16 mm, okay, 12 plus 16, that's 28, but I'm going to measure them individually. Okay, so this is my 28, this is my 28, mark 28. So from here, 16 at the top, 12 at the bottom. Okay, and the area is taken. All right, then on the horizontal plane, the total width is what, is 46. So I'm measuring from right to left at a mark of 46, which is this. So each of those areas, I'm going to project them. So first the 12 and 16 horizontally like this, faintly. Okay, then like this also, faintly, with my T-square. All right, so then the mark of 46, I'm going to be drawing that vertically like this, faintly, vertically like this, faintly. Okay, after doing that, what's the next thing for me to do? Okay, so okay, let's start dealing with stuff here. So on this mark of 16, yeah, this is thickness of 16. So first of all, we have a mark of 15 from the edge, which is this. So it is on that mark of 15. Then we have radius, what, radius 5, that's the diameter, then radius 5. I measure it backwards here like this, so take note of that. So from here also, 15 from here, 15 from here also. Okay, that will be 15, and radius 5 also like this. So because you're having a web right there actually. So, and I'm going to get the midpoint of this 46. Half of 46 is what, 23, 21, 22, 23, which is this. So each of those points will be projected vertically, but it is going to be faint, okay, with faint lines. So take note of that. So I'm projecting from left to right, right here, faint lines like this, like this, like this, like this. Yeah, machine drawing has to do with a lot of lines, so you must actually know how to project. If you can't project, you might actually find it hard. All right, and after projecting all those areas. So okay, yeah, this place there won't be anything, so I'm going to thicken this like this and thickening that area like that. I'm going to thicken this place to like this. Okay, so I'm thickening this from start to finish like this, and this also like this. So, and this also like this. All right, so this is going to be hidden. This is going to be hidden. This is also going to be hidden. This is going to be hidden. Okay, so I think those areas are being sorted like that. Okay, now at the base, so okay, if you look at the hole where there was at the base, okay, that was labeled 46. Okay, the center to center of the holes there is what is 20, and we have two holes of diameter 12, and the center to center is 20. So from this midpoint now, I'm going to pick 10 from the center, 10 to my left, 10 to my right. Actually makes up the 20. Okay, and the hole there is diameter 12, which is going to be radius 6. So from here, 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Then from here also, okay, so I make mistake, 6 plus 6 equals to 12 also. So each of those points also will be projected vertically. All right, so this one is going to be hidden right here. Okay, this one will just be faint line like this. This one will also be hidden right here, faint line like this. All right, this will also be hidden right here and faint line all the way to the top. Okay, and this one is going to be faint line to the top like this, and this is also going to be hidden right here, faint lines to the top like that. Okay, so after doing all that, I think we are progressing, right? So from this area, so this L was tilted at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal, 30 degrees to the vertical. Okay, 60 degrees to the horizontal, 30 degrees to the vertical. I'm going to do that now. So with my set square, I'm using the adjustable set square. So already adjusted to 30 by 60. So if I draw like this, I'm drawing 30. If I'm drawing like this, I'm drawing 60. So at 60, okay, I can still drag it here and have something cool as this. Yeah, so it's still the same thing like this. So at this junction, yeah, 60 degree, I draw faintly, I just project faintly, PM. So likewise 60 degree, I slide all the way to this end here, then I draw faintly, PM. So the center line, which is this, right, the mark of 23, I'm going to move down also 60 degree, okay, all the way up like that, PM. So after drawing those 3 areas, okay, take note. So you're told that the vertical height here is 48, where the middle of the cylindrical part at the top, 48. So from this center, I'm measuring 48. So with 48 right here, PM, vertical height, I'm going to project it horizontally. Okay, 48 right there, projected horizontally like this. So this is where it intersects that middle line. Okay, and from where okay, I think I saw where I actually made a mistake. Yeah, not a mistake per se. So I'm going to draw this at angle 30 degrees like this. Okay, at angle 30 degrees like this. So with my 30 degrees, I slide all the way to this junction. Okay, then I draw this like this. That's at 30 degrees like that. So after drawing that at 30 degrees, I pick my compass. Picking my compass, I adjust it to this junction right here. Okay, then I draw like this. I draw like this. You see that? Okay, so then the next distance on the inside, I'm having diameter 24. That will be radius 12. Radius 12. Radius 12. With radius 12 right here, I come here, then I what? I draw this circle like this. With radius 12, I draw that circle. And on the inside, diameter 16. That will be radius what? Radius 8. So with radius 8, which I pick now, I'm coming here, then I'm what? I'm drawing this also. Radius 8, I'm drawing that. So after doing that, I can thicken this all the way to the top like this, and this all the way to the top like this. And the area is what? The area is settled. I have my what? I have my end view perfectly placed like that. So with that, area actually got in. Yeah, so what's missing? Nothing is missing. Yeah, we are good to go. Very, very good to go. So with that area settled, I'm going to, from the base here, okay, from base I'm going to step off 10 2 times, 10 and what? 10, to actually get my orthographic plane. So after doing that, I'm going to from the highest point here. Okay, the highest point here is this. Okay, so I'm going to project this also horizontally like this, like that. Then I'm going to project those points of 10 which I marked earlier on vertically. 1 and 2. Okay, now from here, I'm stepping off 10 twice also. 1 and 2. I'm stepping off 10 twice. 1 and 2. But before that, I need to project this also. Okay, this right here like this also. So after that, I can now draw this also horizontally. The first mark and the second mark. All right, so we are getting somewhere, right? Check. Yes. So I'm going to develop my front view right here. Okay, now looking at the front view from the direction of ROY. Okay, from the direction of ROY, I'm having mark of 52 first of all from the base. 52. With 52 I mark PM. Now from that 52, I told that the base is what? Base is 12. So from this mark of 52, I'm stepping off 12 towards my right hand side. 12 right here. Okay, now from that 12 towards I step off 12 from this 52 towards my left hand side. So from this mark of 12, I'm going to step off 90 to my right hand side. Okay, from this 12 now, I'm having what? 90, which is this. Now with those points gotten, I can actually project them vertically. Yeah, faintly, right? So we just do them like this. Okay, vertically like that, like this, faintly, and like this also faintly. Okay, so after doing that, okay, yeah, so okay, yeah, radius of 6 here. So I said I'm going to show those radius of 6, so let me fulfill my promise. Radius of 6, that's kind of small, God help me. Radius 6, so somewhere here, so from here I mark 6, then from here I mark 1 and what 2. So with the intersection gotten, I can confidently draw the radius 6 here. I think that one is settled. So likewise at the bottom here also. Okay, 6, then 6 and what 6. So at this junction also I can confidently draw radius 6 like this. I have that area settled. Okay, so I think on the inside here also, yeah, so right here 6, 6. So from here 6, 6. So from the intersection right there I have this radius 6 settled. So it comes here also like this. So from this junction 6, 6. Okay, then from here 6, from here 6, and from this intersection I have what radius 6 gotten. So with those areas gotten, I can what close this up here like this. Okay, so the area closed up like that, this area closed up like this, then like this. Okay, then at the base here, this place like this. Alright, so I'm managing this. So this comes all the way down here like this. Alright, and this comes all the way down here like this. Okay, then this connects here like this. So I think, yeah, that's how the area is actually looking like. Am I right? Yes, I am absolutely right. So we have some hidden details to actually sort out here. Okay, so from the edge here I'm having mark of 20, which is this. Okay, from this mark of 20, the radius is what 5, diameter of 10, so 5 left, 5 right on that side of this thing. So I'm going to show that vertically like this. Okay, I'm drawing it faintly first of all from the top, like this, and like this. So this one is going to be hidden like that, and also hidden center line here. Okay, I think that one is settled, that slot is settled. Now towards the bottom right here, so mark of 20 also, 20 right here, then diameter of what 12, that will be 6 to the left of that mark 20 and 6 to the right of it. Okay, so I'm going to project those mark also, first of all vertically faintly. Okay, like this, faintly and faintly. Okay, so then hidden line here also, then center line here. So that area is also what sorted. Okay, now from my bottom right towards the left, I'm having mark of 45 first of all, which is this. Which is this. So this one is not it. It is this mark of 45 right here. After the mark of 45, the thickness of that web is mark of 10. From 45 towards the left, I mark what 10. So those 2 points, I'm going to project them vertically, mark of 45 and 10. So mark of 45 and mark of 10. So after doing that, I think I can now, okay, so I'm going to close this right here like this, check them, then project this all the way to the top like this, tick, and this also all the way to the top. Okay, tick like this all the way to the top. Now after drawing that part, okay, I'm going to project this horizontally to get my points. So this big circle here, I project it faintly horizontally, and the inner circle horizontally. Okay, then this also horizontally, then this also horizontally. Now after doing all of those, so mark of 12 from this edge, I'm measuring 12 outside here like this, then I'm projecting that vertically like this. I'm projecting that vertically like this. Okay, vertically like that. So after doing that, so I can now confidently thicken this like this, this like this, then I'm going to thicken this like this. Now we're told that this hole on the inside is true, drill all true, so which means I'm going to make it hidden line or true like this and like this. Okay, so center line, obviously let me just do the center line with the set square, sorry, with the t-square, the center line with the t-square. Okay, so the area is also settled like that. So I think I'm done with the elevation also. I'm done with the end view, I'm done with the elevation. Now is what the plan, and the plan is going to sit directly on top of the of the front view. So before I draw that, I'm going to project 45 degrees from this middle, 45 degrees from that middle. So I can do it like this. Okay, so from this middle at 45 degrees, I draw. Okay, 45 degrees, I produce that line. Then okay, so I'm going to project the end of this like this to where it touches that 45 degree. Okay, likewise all these circles here to touch the 45 degree, then this to touch the 45 degree, then the middle right there, then the other end of this circle right here, then this right here. Okay, so and this mark right there. So after doing all of those, I'm going to project them horizontally, okay, like this, horizontally like this mark like this. Okay, so after projecting each of those points to this axis, okay, so I'm going to take in the plan. So year to year, I taking it like this. Okay, after taking in it, so this web you are seeing here, okay, I need to actually show it on my plan. Okay, and this web you are seeing, this is it here. So the end of it is this last line, which is here. So I taking it like this, PM. Okay, then also the other end of this web, the other end, I think I projected from here, right? Oh, I didn't project it. Let me project it. Okay, 1 and 2. So I think the end for it is here. Yeah, is here. Okay, and now coming all the way down. So I'm still going to take this, don't worry, all the way like this. And this also like this. Okay, so after doing all of that, all right, so it remains this circle on the inside. So the first edge of that diameter 24 is this diameter 24. Come here, right, and the second end of diameter 24 is this. Don't make mistake, oh Mike. Is this? I'm trying to trace it with my ruler. Second end of diameter 24. Oh, I haven't drawn it. Is this? So I'm going to project it. Hey, is it straight? No, I do rubbish. Sorry. Is it? Okay. So this is second end for diameter 24. Then I take in it PM. Okay. Now the diameter 16 hole on the inside. This is the first end for it. This, so all through it's going to come like this. Tun, 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 tun. Okay, the second end for it is this, and it is here already. So which is this. That's the advantage of you tracing. You need to start measuring up and down. Okay, then obviously our center line, which is this, I'm just going to do that. Okay, like that. So after that has been sorted, so yeah, the other end here, PM, which is this. So I'm taking this one. This end is what I'm saying now. This end here. Okay, this end here goes here, so that I don't make mistake. So with my ruler, I take this all the way to the end. Bam. Yeah, I'm correct. Then it comes all the way to this place like this. Okay, to be hidden, it's passing through here, to be hidden. Then it's bold here, visible. Why is my hand shaking? I've eaten this morning now, right? Yes, I've eaten. So there is sorted, and oh, radius 6. I'm still going to come and do radius. So let me do radius sharp. Shouldn't have taken those ends. I said I'm going to do the radius 6. So with 6 on my compass, radius 6, radius 6, radius 6, radius 6. Then from here, radius 6 right there. radius 6, radius 6, radius 6, radius 6. Then from here, radius 6 given right there. So I'm connecting this all the way to the axis and to that and to that. So radius 6 set to there. So the radius 6 should be here also, but I've drawn it, don't mind me. I promised to show it, so let me fulfill my promise. Alright, so still radius 6 on my compass. Radius 6, radius 6, radius 6, radius 6 from the intersection. Radius 6, radius 6, radius 6, radius 6, radius 6. So from here they meet like that. So closing this down like this, PM, then like this, PM. Okay, so I think it's sorted like that, sorted. Okay, what next? The holes. Yeah, this slot, man. So the slot is here, right? Check. Yes, I think I'm correct with that. The slot is here. Okay, so don't let me even disturb myself. So since I know this is the line for that slot, and it's 15 from the left, 15 from the right, so from here like this, sharp, I pick 15. I got the midpoint. So from here also I pick 15. I got the midpoint. Diameter 10, and that's radius 5. I don't even need to measure any radius. Just adjust my compass to it like this, PM, then draw like this. Then from here also I draw like this. Then I pick my ruler and align, and I join like this and join like this. You see, settled. So on my right hand side, this, so 20 minus 46 is 26. 26 divided by 2 is 13. So from here, just measure 13 right here, 1, and 13 right here, 2. So all I have to do is just place my compass, adjust, and and draw my circle, sharp circle of diameter 12 first, and all the way for second. Okay, so after doing that, what else? Okay, so right here, yeah, is going like this. Okay, after that, then this place is going to be what? Hidden, because we are told to show all hidden details. That place is going to be hidden. What else? Anything found wanting before I call it a day. All right, I think that is it. Cheap like what? Plantain chips. Easy as ABC. So this is my end view, this is my front view, and this is my plan. So that's the working drawing of that angle bracket in third angle orthographic projection. All right, so once again, my name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of MyKTech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you. Okay. Yep. So clean like McLean. All right. Thank you.